Aves, what the hell are you doing, bro?
I'm just practicing for my audition.
Audition for what?
Dancing with the Stars.
Oh, you mean...
Yeah, it's stars. I'm just dancing with them.
Alright, dude. What's up, guys? It is the weekend, and today we are celebrating Maylee's birthday. Next few shots will be of that. Happy weekend, everybody. Come on, May. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Maylee. People want to know, are you having a good time at your party? Are you having a good time at your party?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
You don't put me on that vlog, I swear to God.
You're already in.
You know I got bad complexion, so let's not get me too.
No, you actually look really good.
I'm gonna knock her out.
You're like,
Here, hold on, let me get my
What's up, guys? Jay here. The party was very windy. Yeah. And yeah, we had trouble setting up the tent, but that worked out. How do you feel?
Tired.
Yeah, we're tired. This is a tent.
I'm never having a party again after this.
How you feeling, Mom?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
I feel good and happy. Sad.
After what she said.
I know.
Oh, the vlog's never seen this. Hold on, you gotta pan to the right and then come in.
All right, ready?
Yeah, so we're selling chocolate.
Did somebody say chocolate? They're selling chocolate, son. Oh, I love chocolate.
So good.
I love chocolate. Chocolate. This little turd in a wheelchair.
Roll the SpongeBob clip.
Chocolate! Yeah! What are they selling? Chocolate!
Oh,
This is shit, dog.
oh, dude.
This is some shit,
I almost
dog.
came from that.
That was a good high five.
Don't put that in.
Throw the first punch.
Whoa, dude.
Who's letting it happen?
Hey, we don't fight on the vlog.
Somebody has to hold me back.
Yo.
Whoa, hold him back. Hold him back.
That was like a cat.
Imagine if this is how men communicated. They're just like,
Yo,
hey,
what the fuck is that?
hey man, how are you? Are you trying to go to the bars later?
Dude, I am.
In the vlog, we do a bunch of categories of 5, okay?
Okay.
Or 5 things you look for in a guy.
Oh Lord.
Yeah.
I'm very interested.
He has to be funny.
Funny? Okay, that's
Funny.
one.
Funny, that is
All right.
one of my... Hey, you have to pick something
How
different.
can I pick something different? That is one of my
Just
things.
pick a different
Just pick
thing,
a different one.
You're making a
Do
list
it as
together.
five collectively?
Yeah, collectively.
Okay, well then pick another one. I don't know.
That's it. He just has to be funny. That's it, guys.
Oh my god.
Avery's like, what?
Tall.
Tall? Okay.
Oh, I'm pretty tall.
Avery.
Chivalrous.
Chivalrous. What does that mean?
Chivalry.
Like-
AKA chivalry's not dead.
That means you like get a
Opening
sword.
the door and all that. No, not
It means
so-
being
not
kind
fighting
to
a
women.
dragon, you idiot.
Alright, that's 3.
Okay, smart.
Smart. Okay. I like that. 4.
Creative.
5.
I love creative, yes.
Solid, guys. Thanks. That's 5. For real, they described me. What the fuck? They just described you?
Yeah.
Like 100?
What? Yo, you're still here? No. I gotta go.
That hold on. That's 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and ring that bell. Since you guys gave me 5 minutes, I'm gonna give you 5. And by 5, I mean 5 tricks with my dogs, probably. Sit. Alright, there's 1.
Sit.
Sit. Nice. There's 2. Oh, he's gonna catch, okay. Oh, he missed. We'll still count it. That's 3.
Good boy.
Alright, that's 4. And the 5th trick is going fetch. Let's see if it brings it back. Alright, that's 5. High five.
I rolled the fuck out of my ankle.
You better not put me in that video. I didn't sign for that.